Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12T, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications straight from the top, just a single swipe, and you will get the tray of like different toggles. Now we're looking for hotspot, so let's just flip to the side, just a swipe to the left, and you will see more toggles right here. I have also another page, but as you can see, hotspot for me is on the second page right over here. So once you locate this toggle, first time around you want to hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize this. Now the reason you want to navigate here the first time around, even if you don't really want to customize anything, is because the password is randomly generated. So let's select right here, set up portable hotspot, and you can obviously view the randomly generated password and utilize it if you want to, but I highly recommend just nice keyboard, but I highly recommend just removing this one and setting up your own. As you can see, once you remove it, it tells you that your password needs to have at least 8 characters. So I'm gonna make mine very simple. There we go. Now you can utilize letters and numbers, not just numbers like I did, but from there, once you have it, you can just check it and this will save it. And that's really the only thing that I recommend changing. You could change other things, assuming you know what they do. Most specifically, AP band, you have 5 gigahertz as well. But if you don't know what it does, I recommend keeping it as it is. It will ensure that you can utilize your hotspot with whatever device you try to connect to it. If you know what it does, then you also know that if you change it, you might not always see your hotspot, depending on the device. So anyway, I'm gonna just check it right here to save it, and now I can find the toggle once more, and this time around all I need to do is tap on it to enable it, and I could connect to my hotspot whenever I want to. And just to kind of show this, see if it's gonna find it. No, there we go. As you can see, Xiaomi 12T. I could tap on it and then put in the password that I set up, connect, and there we go, I am connected. Additionally, I think you can also view what you're connected to in here, or who is connected to you. Hopefully. Oh, yeah, there we go. Connected devices, as you can see, it shows one. And there we go. So, once you're done with your hotspot, I do recommend trying to remember to turn it off. Otherwise, it might be running indefinitely in the background. So just find the toggle once more and tap on it. Now, the reason for that would be hotspot does consume more of your battery life, so if you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be on. But with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.